हेलो 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 बच्चों, आवाज़ आ रही है बच्चों? आर यू ऑल एबल टू हियर? यस नो, कम ऑन फास्ट, टुडे विल बी डिस्कसिंग. हेलो, आर यू ऑल एबल टू हियर? यस नो फास्ट. या अभिषेक, हाय मंजुनाथ. Just put a message for others, 1 second. Now a lot of students they had this difficulty, sir. What do you say? What is the difference between CS and if you are taking any specialization? What will be the plus and minus if I go for a job? And what are the companies I can sit for? What are the resumes and everything? So I thought let's get into it and get to know more about that. Now for colleges and counseling videos is coming, don't worry for that. Okay. Abhishek, you can get a CSE, the college won't be that good, kid. 41,000 also colleges are there, but the college won't be that good. Clear? So you have to work hard and get a off-campus placement. You have to work hard and get a off-campus placement. Chalo, let's wait for others to join. For those who have done Comet Key counseling, they have put up. What about you all? How is it going? Hi, Sandesh. Chalo, Abhishek only just has 41,000 with that college with 62K general merit. Yes. You also want, what do you say, Sandesh? Different colleges are there, but college won't be that good, Sandesh. Okay. I'll suggest among this pool of colleges. Okay, don't worry. I'll suggest you. 48K, can I get CSE? High blazing, long time. Sir, is robotics and automation good at Reva? Yeah, it is okay. See, top 10 college after that, there is no good. There is okay. So you have to work hard. We'll talk about robotics and automation with CS. Okay. So this topic also a lot of kids, robotics and automation. A lot of places they have CS with design. So robotics with automation is also not bad. Okay. The branch itself is good. Now what things you need to learn extra so that even if a company is coming for looking for CS candidates, you can sit for that company. So that is the most important thing that we'll be talking today in this session, that even if I have taken robotics with automation, robotics, sir, I have taken AI ML in DSU. How high can be my package? Package can be, DSU is good. DSU is top 5. So DSU is good. Okay. CS with design is also good, not bad. That I'll discuss. Sandesh. Okay. Just 2 minutes. We'll start the video. We'll discuss about that. Whether CS with design is good, CS with machine learning and others, and how can I compete with a normal CSE student? What are the plus and minus I have to do? Okay. Hi Karthik, computer engineering versus information technology, that also will do. CSE versus IT, CS versus IT also. Not much difference. Okay. So CS versus IT also will go into. Chalo, for those, see, these are all CS related fields. How much change and everything, I'll tell you in detail. Don't worry. Okay. So for all this, how much change it is, we'll talk about in detail. CS with IT, CS with design, CS with robotics and automation. All that we'll talk in detail. In just 2 minutes, we'll start the session. Okay. So whatever the rank, if you are just that, no. CS with ISE also, CS with versus ISE also. Okay. How to compete between, yes, CSE with AI/ML specialization. That is the main topic of today's video. That whether I have taken CS or IT, or I have taken ISC, or I have taken design, I have taken CS with machine learning, I have taken CS with AI, CS with blockchain, CS with cybersecurity, CS with the data science or IoT. So what are the differences? What is the syllabus? How difficult the syllabus change will be? Everything in detail I'll explain you. Don't worry about that. So I'll explain. Just put a message in the group. Class, what do you say? Session has started. We'll just start in 2 minutes. Presidency University is also good, not bad. Okay, we'll say. See, after 15 college, no, it's very difficult, Sandesh, to say what is good, what is bad. Top 5, you can say yes, very good. So after that, there are some students who have done good in that. There are some students who have done worthless. There are some students who have done average, like normal. So it is very difficult, very difficult. Okay. So very difficult to say, and very important topic for today. So every student, just 1 minute, you give it wherever your friends, whoever is there, and they want to know what is the difference between CS with the other applied branches. So do tell them, do inform them to join fast. We'll start in just 2 to 3 minutes. We'll start the video. Okay. Every in-depth knowledge from 4 years. What is the difference to the starting first year to the last 4 year, and how to compete with that? Everything in detail will be given in this video. So don't worry. Okay. And how are you all, everybody? As I already told you, will be there for your engineering 4 years also. So don't worry. And 15th of August, we are announcing the internship one. So for all the students, whether you have taken college, not taken college, those who want to do internship, on very simple thing will be taking something which will be useful to any kind of student going for our any kind of engineering, whether civil, mechanical, anything. So for that we'll be teaching and will be helping you all. Okay. So 14th, be ready. Something good we are trying to bring for you all students. And for your coding also, your videos will be coming very fast and very soon. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. So how is everything going, blazing? You have already paid, taken the college, or like, what is it? Just 1 second, I'll be putting up the, what do you say? I know HTML, CSS, can I get internship? Yes, anybody, even if you don't know. Yes, sir, fees is paid, that's good. And what about the party, blazing? You didn't give the party only? Huh? The party is pending. Classes will start in September. RN sir, I got in VIT Velo. Thank you for helping us in your exams. Thanks, Aryan. Whatever I could, I tried. One more thing for those who have done and they think that we are able to, from something, we are able to help you out in your studies part. What do you say? Do send your pictures, okay, a good photo. So we want to put up a, what do you say, small video for the other students coming up, okay, and we'll be putting up in the website. I'll give the party after placement, okay, no issues. We'll be working for that. Yes, you can. RV, see, one thing what I put in the review in RV, every stream in RV is they get placement. So even if you are not, if you are studying just what is it, that stream, what is industry and management, you'll get placement. So colleges are coming. So don't worry about that. If you're taking, you can take. Okay. So if you want, you can take it. There is no issue in that. What do you say? You can take it. Chalo, let's see, kids. So what about others? What about others? Kartike, where you have thought of taking computer science and business system versus information tech? Okay, done. Okay. So CS for 24,000. Chetan will tell for that also. Don't worry, Chetan. First, today the main target is if I should go for JC for Mysore mechanical. Mechanical, you can go, bro, Sandesh, but again, mechanical placements are very rare. And then again, if you want CS based placements like a job, then what is it is difficult. If you want, like, sir, I don't need job, I'll do MTech and after that I'll get the job, then it is good to go. 93 percentile in JE, but I'm not getting anything through JE. That's why I'm going for VIT Velour. Not bad. VIT Velour is also not bad. CS for 25K, 24K, I'll tell you, bro. CT you got or Comet, what do you say, Comet K you got? Honors and normal degree. I'll tell you about that also, Jaydeep. But today we'll be focusing more 56K best. निखिल 56K में बेस्ट कॉलेज नहीं होता है ब्रो, ठीक है? तो जो भी ऑप्शंस 56K में बहुत कम ऑप्शंस है, ठीक है? सो जॉब व्हाट इज से 56K में देखो आफ्टर टॉप 15 कॉलेज ना, यू कैन नॉट से दैट दिस कॉलेज इज गुड, दिस कॉलेज बैड, कोई डेटा नहीं है. Nikhil, if I tell you honestly, not to just get the views of the video, there is no after 15 top 15 college, nobody can say that this college is good, this college is bad, because कोई rank matrix नहीं है by which we are judging the college. Proper उनका data नहीं है that what is it, how much placements have been done, what is there, what is not there. ठीक है? BTech and BE next video में होगा Abhishek. Next video will talk about BTech and BE. Today we'll talk about what is the difference between CS and CS with specialization. Different specialization branches, whether I have to take or not. If I am taking it, what are the plus and minus, and how can I compete with a CSE kid? Okay, whether I'll be eligible for all the jobs or not. ठीक है? तो चलो start करते हैं video. Chalo, the first thing and foremost thing is we start the video. We'll come to this part. First thing, when you are starting a CSE, okay, computer science engineering, first year student, first year, everybody has same thing. First year, there is no difference, not even a single word difference. Okay. No issues, Jaideep. I'll explain you. Don't worry. I'll explain. Don't worry. Watch the video. You will understand. Okay. So first year, wherever you're doing mechanical, civil, what is industrial, CSE, CSE with specialization, whatever it is, almost all colleges, they have the same syllabus, basics. Maths will be there, physics will be there, chemistry will be there, different streams. Okay. This, whatever you have learned in 12th, a bit higher words will be there. What is in maths, you will have discrete maths and all that. So first year, same syllabus. Okay. For all the streams, common everywhere. Now the second year onwards, it will start. Second year onwards, the whole play will start. Students, second year onwards, some subjects for CS, let's say you have taken computer science and somebody has taken computer science with specialization. Few subjects which are common for everybody will be there. Few subjects which are common for everybody will be there, like computer networks. Everybody has to study computer networks. Next is database, DBMS. Everyone has to study DBMS. Everybody has to study operating systems. Like that, there will be a bunch of same contents for everyone. In each stream, 4 to 5 subjects will be there, where it will be similar for everyone. Whether you are a CSE, CSE with specialization, or IT, or IS, or CSE with business management, whatever you are, or you have taken with IoT, AI, ML, whatever it is, this will be common subjects will be same. Clear, students? Main difference. So for CSE kids and CSE with specialization, second year will be same. Second year almost 95% will be same. Clear, everyone? So understand, students, for those who have taken CSE or mechanical or civil, first year everybody same. Second year, CSE people and CSE with specialization will be same. CSE with specialization will be same. Now mechanical and all, they will differ, but CSE and CSE with specialization will be same. IT, IS, ISE, okay, all same. Now from second, third year, from your fifth semester, the drama will start. Now you have some subjects will be like very, what to say, which is compulsory, you have to take it, and some will be elective, means you have to choose it. There it will be the change. From here now elective will come. From your fifth semester, electives will come, which will be open elective or closed. Closed is like the professional one. So if somebody has taken, let's say, somebody has taken what is it, just CS. So his electives will be like basics of AI, okay, for them basics of IoT, or basics of, let's say, design, okay. For somebody, hi Vian, for somebody who has taken ML, AI and ML, so they have already, they'll have this compulsory subject. Now they'll have whatever this person is having compulsory for the CS, they'll have as an elective. You can choose it. Clear? So understand, if you want, in the third year also, whatever a person is learning CSE, you can take with AI ML also. Clear? But 2-3 papers out of, let's say, 12 papers in the whole third year and fourth year, 2-3 papers will be different, where you'll be learning more of advanced AI ML, and here this person will be learning more of general concepts. Clear? What are the subjects and everything, I'll go in detail also, don't worry about that. Okay, so let's see from the VIT. I have taken up the data, what is the common subjects and what is the different subjects also I have taken, don't worry. So see, detailed curriculum, this is of BTech with specialization in AI and ML. Okay, so we'll come to that also, ma'am. First, let's see about this. 1 second, students. Now everybody see these are the bogus things which you will be learning, technical English and all that. Okay, this will be same engineering physics, engineering calculus, for same ethics values. Okay, this will be same for everybody, first year part. Now coming to a bit specialization, few of the things of the maths part will be kept compulsory, which everybody, like discrete maths with graph theory, will be there for everybody, whether you have taken CS, CS with AIML, CS with IoT, CS with data science, CS with deep database management, CS with what is it, design. These all will be same. Now few things later they'll start changing, but these are compulsory. TOC, what do you say, a data structure algorithm, design analysis and algorithm, network and communication, these are the compulsory for everybody. Okay, these are the compulsory things for everybody. Now what changes slowly in the AI ML part? Now in this part, when you go machine learning for medical image analysis, if somebody has taken healthcare domain, or somebody is doing surveillance system, so they're now in advance in the third year. When you start going for internship and bit more advanced for your career part, then it goes changes. So there it will be changing. Okay, there I won't be learning, like if I am a CSE student, I won't be learning AI for cybersecurity. I'll be learning what are the fundamentals of AI or fundamentals of cybersecurity. But how to use AI in depth on cybersecurity, only student who has taken cybersecurity, they'll be learning. Okay, now for a CSE student, I didn't get CSE with cyber. Let's say I am a CSE student, but I didn't get CSE with cyber and I want to go to this field. Clear? So what I need to do is, I'll tell you that also. In the end of the video, I'll tell you how a CSE student can learn each and everything of a student who is doing AI and ML specialization, or cyber specialization, or data science specialization, and a student who is doing AI and ML, how he can do the courses of CSE. Clear? So now we got to know till second year. First year everybody same. Second year CSE people and CSE with specialization almost same. Third year when the internship starts, your advanced subjects come in. So there will be two things. One is the common subject which everybody will take, and then there will be the elective ones where whatever you want you can learn more about. Let's say I'm in cyber, I want to learn more in depth about cyber, I can take a cyber one. Or if I am in cyber, I want to learn something of general concept, I can take from computer science engineering also. So there in that third year, you have to choose from your college whatever they are providing very efficiently. You want to go more towards robotics, you can take that. You can take what do you say, intelligent multiple agent and expert system, network design, business intelligence, cognitive intelligence, drone and other things. So all these things you have to plan beforehand. Like, sir, after reading 2 years of computer science, my what do you say, institution is going, my intuition is going towards the cyber security field. So I'll take this part, sir. So there that you have to think. Okay, by second year you should be knowing that, you should have to know that which field I'm preferring and I want to go to that field, so that I can do more and more courses on that. Like somebody says, no sir, I want to do more on what is the data science. So there will be a limit. 6 to 7 subjects will be there. There will be a limit, because you can't give, you can't study everything. No, per day everybody will have what is it? Let's say 7 subjects. 4 will be like compulsory. 3 will be electives. Okay, so you cannot choose everything. If somebody says, sir, I'll learn everything, I'll come, Piyush. What is it in terms of placement and infrastructure? I'll tell. College placements also. So this is the third year and fourth year. You have to choose very properly the electives. Okay, so that what do you say? You'll be in a better position to get the job proper. So you need to be sure, very sure that what you need to do. Okay, clear everyone? This point, by the second year, you should know which domain you want to enter. Whether you are a CSE, you want to take from this general job, or you want to get into Microsoft and just learn. See, for getting into Microsoft and a product-based company, we need to know coding along with data structures, algorithm. This is more than enough to crack this. No specialization, nothing here and there. Okay. If I want to go into Google, but with specialization of AI, what things I need to do, then I'll have to decide. Clear? So everybody, first is priority. By second year, mark it down that you should know which domain I'm interested. Clear? Kira, I'll tell you about that. Don't worry. Okay. So now let's see. After that, we have now coming to the most important, the other aspect, student, the job part. So what are the different companies coming? How they do select? Okay. So let's take a scenario and an example of two friends. Okay. DevOps also no issues. You can take for DevOps also. Okay. Let's say one student is what is say Ram, and the other student is Sam. So he is studying CSE, Computer Science Engineering, and this one is studying CS with, let's say, data science. Clear? With 18K, you will get a free seat. Difficult, bro, but not in good college, but a bit so and so college you can get, Kira. Now, Ram he has done CSE. Now a company came, let's say X. A company came, big company. It is a big company X. Now you have to see different company at different profile. Future in DevOps is there. Now different company has different profile. Now this company is a general product based company. This is general product based company. So he prefers more of kids who are knowing general more, not with specialization. Not with specialization. So what this company will do, it will set a priority that, see, minimum CGP and all that, let's say you have to keep minimum 7.5 or minimum 8. You have to, the moment you go to the college, whichever college, safe side is 8 to 8.5. If you keep this much, all the companies, they'll be like, you are eligible for that. Okay. So let's say this company wants more of CSE. So if you are from DS background, Sam wants to do from DS background and he wants to get into this company. Company is paying a package of, let's say, 15 lakh per annum. Company is paying a package of 15 lakh per annum. So Sam wants to get into that, though he has taken CS with data science. What he will do, he'll start learning some extra courses from other what do you say, online free platforms are there. You can directly learn from Coursera. You can learn from Udacity. You can learn from edX. Different free platforms are there. How to learn from that, I'll tell you all. Don't worry. So what he has done, he has learned all that and he will put up in his resume that, sir, though I am from CS with DS data science background, but I've done from these parts. I know the required knowledge, and whatever your knowledge you require of DBMS, what to say, algorithm and data structure, I've done in full depth, so I can also sit. So both can compete then equally. He earlier had a upper advantage, but if you want, after second year you got to know that no, I want to get into a product based company, so focus on more of better, more on what are the more general things you have to need to know for this product based company, then done. Now let's see a different scenario. Let's see a different scenario. A new company came. This is a company name as Game On, and this is a CSE kid, and this is a kid with CS with design. Now understand, students, very important. This company wants a person who has done and has more knowledge on design, because it's a game company. So his priority will be this people. His priority will be this person. Correct. So how does a CSE kid who has done general things more can take this company? What he has to do? He has to learn that extra asset of design part from either Coursera or edX or Udacity, and he has to show that certificates. These certificates are valid. Okay. You have to do the projects, and once he submits his resume along with those projects, this company will also consider him. Clear everyone? Clear everyone till here? Anybody doubt? Now coming to the company portfolio and how to build up the fees and cost. See, fees, sometimes CSE fees is like, what do you say, same with AIML. For some colleges, AIML fees are higher because that is a specialization, and some colleges I've seen very sometimes less also. Is certificate mandatory? See, if you're doing from Coursera and all, if you're doing a certificate, it's good. Okay. If you have knowledge, also good, but you need to have some projects, live projects which you have done, which you can show either in your GitHub account that says, this is my code, this is the project I have done. You can go through my project. If you don't have, see, if you're saying I know it, they won't believe. So you have knowledge, that's well and good. You should at least work on that project and you should publish that work. Let's say I know HTML, CSS. So I've already built up a good website. Okay. And that website is there in the, what do you say, Google. And if he's wanting to check, he can check. So the moment he checks, okay, yeah, this kid, what he's saying, he's done. Clear everyone? Chalo. So this part is very important. Fees part again depends on the college. Okay, sometimes they charge higher for CS with specialization. Sometimes they charge higher for basic CSE. Okay, so college to college it varies. Okay, if you if you do a project, that's right. Yeah, if you do a project, they'll ask questions from that project, and if you have knowledge, more than enough. Clear? Clear everyone? Now placement again, the company, based on the company, domain specific company is coming, they'll put more priority to that domain. And if you are CS and you want to go to that domain, start doing extra courses of that domain, and so that when the companies come, so that's why from the third year, I want to go to cyber, I'll start taking extra courses on cyber. So what will happen? The company, the moment it sees, oh, this kid has done whatever extra has been taught to this cyber kids, done. Clear? You should have the capability to explain also. If you have done a project and you are not able to explain, how could you do the project? Clear? So that is very important. If you're doing a project, you should know what you have done in that project. Clear everyone? Chalo. Now, once you have done this part, is the most important part, how to get and be like a, what do you say, get a job like an IITian gets. So what you have to do in that case is, you have to follow this process. Once you are there by your second year, start updating your LinkedIn profile. So whatever you do, post it there. Whether you have done a course, post it. Whatever projects you are doing, post it. So people, they are there, they're looking, oh, this kid has done this. So directly from there, they'll make this part, and make your resume with all these postings. So they'll go through and they'll give you the extra credit. Okay, this kid, though he's coming from a tier 3, tier 4 college, but he has done all the required projects, so let him, give him a chance. Clear? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear everybody? Chalo. So this is the basics that you need to know. What is the difference between CS and CS with specializations? So that sums up the whole thing. Okay. So once you know all this, hi Lajpat. See what is it? See NIT is see again if you are there in NIT da, what happens is first thing is the tag is important because if you are gone into NIT, it means that you have cleared a good exam mains and with a very good rank. So it shows that one point whether you after doing in NIT you have done bad or not. But the moment you entered means you have something inside your brain. That's why you are there in NIT. Correct. So one thing whether after that you're not studying or studying, that is another thing. But if you entered means you have something. So if you are working hard, the company can expect that yes, he can give me good results. That is one. Second thing is the alumni. Okay, the people who are gone into NIT who are there and the alumni, they're all very focused. So they're all there in good positions. Okay, so what happens the moment this is, oh, this is my junior colleague here from NIT, let's help him up. So he's there in a what is a company is trying to get into the job. Oh, let's refer him. He's a good kid, sir. You can take him. So that kind of referral becomes easier. Okay. So if you are in IIT and you're trying to start a startup, and let's say you are asking of funding from a big company, and all the kids are there from IIT and there are your seniors, they already know. So they'll say, yeah, this kid, Blair, what do you say, Rocker, he has a very good idea. So, sir, I can say that you should at least hear him once and give him the chance. At least hear his project. See, what happens if I'm going from a very low college, I'll, in order to take a appointment from a funder, I have to go through so many process. But if I'm from a, what do you say, IIT, I'll just take my, tell my seniors, yeah, I want to approach these funders. You're already taking a funding from them. Can you just have a talk with about me? So they'll say, yeah, show us the project. If your project is good and if we like it, we'll just put up a word. We'll give it to them that, yes, sir, it is up to your decision. Just these are the juniors from IIT. They are having a good idea and worth a startup. If you want, you can just go take a look around. So what they can do, they can easily, if they like your idea, they can call you and you can get the funding. So in final year, Microsoft, like that company, will they give internship? Yes, they also give internship. Definitely. Sir, today went to the Anand Sagar, they're asking 15 lakh donation, sir, and total management fees. You went through somebody else or like you went directly? See, management, they don't ask for a donation, okay? Management, they don't ask for a donation. Do check if you're going through some person, what you say, third party or fourth party, they'll ask for donation. Try to get directly from the college people. They'll not, they'll just take the management fees, okay? Got it, Rocker, bro? So this is the thing. Clear. So if you are an IITian, means they know that you have already cleared once at least a good exam. So you have something inside your head. So right now, let's say 4 years of IT you're wasting maybe. But what do you say? You can do good. They said me 3.5 lakhs per annum. Daran Sagar. Daran Sagar college is good. So demand is there. So many kids are going. So they might ask, okay, I cannot say anything in that. I don't have much, what do you say, that into. But yes, they can do that. Okay. Because college, but again, like, see if it is worth it. Again, what do you say? Check if it is worth it. Nobody will, what do you say, put the knowledge in a beaker and what do you say, just give it to you. Whether you go into IIT, whether you go into MIT or anywhere, they'll just, what do you say, make a liquid solution of knowledge and just tell you to drink it. You have to study. You have to work hard. College gives you a bit better environment, a strong alumni network to help you, support you. Okay. And what it does, it helps you in giving that good support system. Rest is on to you, bro. Sir, how is presidency planning to take admission? Not bad, but cannot say too good also. Because if you don't have exact data of presidency, bro, I told you, after top 5 or top 6 college, not much data is there, neither in Google. With Google Chacha also not much data. And whatever the ranks and everything and whatever they are putting in air ranking and all that is not that accurate. Okay. Honestly, I'm telling not that accurate, so that I can say no, this is correct. So whichever college you are taking, whether Dan Sagar, RV or one thing, focus on your knowledge. Focus on getting the content inside your head. If that is there, you'll do super wherever you are. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Placement, see, placements you have to go. If you are in so and so college or what is a normal college, you have to work for off campus. You keep that in mind that if I'm going to Jane is known, companies are coming. What is it? Placements are okay, not bad. So you have to work hard for the placements. Even if a good company is coming in Jane, they'll take your knowledge, bro. Danan Sagar third campus is okay, bro, not that good. Jaideep Jain University has UG courses also. Okay, so that's only I'm telling, bro. Wherever you go in Jain also, you have to study. If you, they'll bring companies, but top companies again, if you want to work hard, you have to give your resume to them. Come, and they'll select and they'll take you. Okay. So anything else regarding placements you all want to know? Anybody? Any other doubts you have? Check it, everybody. Any doubts? Anything you have? And for those they have the juniors, okay, who are studying for KCT and Comet K 2023 and 24, do inform them from what is it, this Saturday we are taking a live session from 9 p.m. okay, on YouTube for KCT 2023, Comet K 2023 and 24. Okay. Now, for you all, placements and rating again, Lajpat. If I'll say any rating and placement, they haven't, the college haven't given much dedicated properly. Some students have said good, some have said bad. So it's very difficult to say, Lajpat. Okay, okay, review I can say. Okay. Again, after top 5 or top 10 college, you are there on your own. Okay. So CSE in 8th, Comet K College or CSE with AIML in Manipal. Again, AIML in Manipal. Manipal is also good. Okay, Manipal is good. You can go to Manipal also. So, what do you say? See, I'll tell you the exact thing of Manipal. Uh, a lot of my students are there and they're doing superb also. So, a lot of students they got 2K rank or 3K rank, but they wanted to take mechatronics. Okay, so they went to Manipal, and I have the number of those students. If you want, I can send it to you also. So, what happened is these students they wanted to take mechatronics. No, it was not available here, so they took Manipal. Manipal culture is like parties there. If you want to what is it, do a lot of party, you can do. And if you want to study, you can study also. Lot of good groups are there where they're doing superb what is it, startup, superb what is it, internships and other things. But what is a lot of groups are there where they are too much busy in just hanging around and chilling around. So if you can take care of yourself, if you are dedicated, definitely go with what is AIML and Manipal. Okay, check yourself. If you are dedicated, go with AIML and Manipal. Okay. Any other doubt, kids? Any other doubt? Any doubt? Anybody else has? And what is it from you all? Thank you all. You have worked hard. Now wherever you are from there for the next 4 years, how to what do you say, do good, what's your plan? Okay, so this will be our mail ID, onlinesamclasses @gmail.com. Do tell me about your 4 years plan. What is your plan? Okay, what is your planning, how you're going through, what you have thought about, and we'll try to help you in whatever way we can for your 4 years engineering life. Okay, from chilling to roaming around to freelancing to doing other stuff, whatever we can do, we can help you. So first you write down your thoughts so that we can get to know that this is your plan, and wherever we can add something extra, plus and minus bits, so that you become awesome in that plan, that will do it. Clear? So everybody do write it down in the mail. Okay, onlinesamclasses@gmail.com. You'll get the mail in the website also. Clear? Chalo. So everybody will keep it till here. Simple and what do you say, crisp. So whatever the target was, that is given. So tomorrow mostly I'll be talking about B versus B Tech and whether to take for a what do you say, what is the plus and minus for first year, what is should be the target thing tomorrow or day after for your first year plan. What should be your first year plan going towards engineering? Okay, and internship also, don't worry about that internship. Wait till 15th of August. We'll disclose about that. Be ready, inform others also. What do you say? The more and more students will be there, the more competition will be, the more you'll grow. So you'll get to know about that. So don't worry. Okay. So till then, let's the suspense be there. Okay, and best of luck, everybody. So whatever doubts you have, you can put in the mail, you can put in the WhatsApp, and any doubt, any difficulty, give us. When will you the first year plan? When I'll give the first year plan? 2 days after, we'll have what do you say? 2 days after, we'll have a live session. We'll be discussing about that. For repeaters, don't worry. For repeaters, don't worry. I think so. The in court, the case has gone, and the trial is going on. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. Okay. So everybody, thank you all for the session. We'll again see you day after tomorrow. Today is what? Wednesday. On Friday 9:30 p.m. sharp will be again with one topic. And if you want to make a video, if you want me to what do you say, tell you about something in a video in the next Saturday and Sunday, you can just put the what do you say topic in the comment section. I'll talk about that. Okay, we'll discuss about that. So till then, best of luck, everybody. See you again on Friday 9:30 sharp. Bye bye, everyone.